In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly import items into Zoho Books. This process can significantly streamline your accounting tasks by allowing you to add multiple items to your inventory all at once. So let's dive right in and take this step-by-step journey together. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Items module within Zoho Books. This module is your primary hub for managing all your inventory items. So go ahead and click on the Items option to open up this section. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen, and you'll notice a More icon, which appears as 3 dots. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. In this menu, look for and click on Import Items. This is the gateway to bringing in all your data efficiently. Now, before you start importing, it's crucial to have your data formatted correctly. To make this easier, Zoho Books provides a handy sample file. You'll find a link to download this template right on the Import Item screen. Click on the link to download the sample file to your computer. This template serves as your guide, ensuring that your data is organized in a way that Zoho Books can understand and process effectively. With the sample file downloaded, open it up. You'll see a series of columns such as item name, price, and other key fields. It's important to format your own item data to match these columns accurately. Take your time to fill in all necessary details, ensuring everything is correct. Once you've done that, save your data as either a CSV, TSV, or XLS file format. These formats are compatible for import, so choose whichever fits your needs best. Now that your file is prepared, return to the Zoho Books import screen. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Choose File button to locate and select the file you just saved. After selecting your file, you'll then click on Next. This step ushers you into the mapping phase, where you'll align your file's columns with the corresponding fields in Zoho Books. This ensures each piece of data ends up in the right spot. Before finalizing the import, Zoho Books provides a preview of your data. This is a fantastic opportunity to double-check that everything appears as you expect. During this stage, you'll have the option to skip certain entries or overwrite duplicates as needed. Make sure everything is in order because once you're satisfied, you'll go ahead and click Import. And just like that, you've successfully completed a bulk import of items into Zoho Books. You've enhanced your inventory management capabilities significantly, saving both time and effort. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it empowers you to simplify your accounting processes with Zoho Books. Thanks for joining in, and see you next time.